Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC. Man, I've not had a bunch of these on the channel. Schrade. This one is the Beta Class, the Uproar OTF. So, I like it, but then I don't like it. Let's hit the specs. You got there. So, assembled in Columbia, Missouri. The Uproar is crafted single-edge D2 steel paired with an aluminum handle, and it's pretty solid, kind of built to last rig there. D2 steel, bayonet style blade, flat ground, satin finish. The aluminum handle, this thing's coming in at 3.3 ounces. A 3-inch blade with 7.25 inches of overall length. Great action. Not too hard. And feels solid when it snaps out. Handle feels good, but it's thick. And that blade looks too damn small for this handle. It just does. I mean, if you take and side by side, it just looks aesthetically better. I mean, those blades are almost the same damn size, but the handles is half of that, you know, and that's where this kind of drops the ball a little bit. But $99.99. So you want to get into the OTF and something with a solid action and D2 blade assembled in the old USA, this is your beast. Looks like reversible clip. You just loosen it, flip it around to the other side. Nice texturing in the aluminum. Honestly, no real hot spot. A little bit. I mean, that clip's kind of big, and you feel your fingers pushing on it. You're cutting towards yourself. You might be able to, you feel a little bit of movement in that clip. Not too bad. Overall, feeling like a solid quality unit. And that action is really good. That blade just looks so damn small coming out of that big handle. It just need a little bit wider, maybe. But it's how I feel. It's how I feel. What do you think? Got the logo here and the logo here and wrote Schrade on it. The Uproar looks pretty good on this side. D2 steel, I think is what that's got there. I mean, the billboarding's a little bit open. It's not bad on the show side, but come on. You could have saved yourself time here, saved yourself here maybe, or knock this one off or something there. But it's just too much fucking billboarding for my taste. Less is more, folks. Rosecraft is listening, some of the others. But pretty good blade overall, $100 if you can come across one. And you're wanting a little EDC OTF beater. This was pretty good. I mean, it's even, you know, because the Microtechs that I've messed with, they're a little bit stiffer. And until you're kind of used to it, it almost feels like they're too stiff. This one right out the gate, the way it ramped up there, it's effortless to deploy. Dead nut center. What do y'all think of the Schrade? Drop a comment, smash that thumbs up button. And yeah. Oh yeah, check out the Knifeaholics on Saturday night. Y'all stay sharp, stay safe.